Gold fortified, pristine, open floor plan home in the highly sought-after Aventura community is a must-see. This captivating nearly new home is better than new with click and lock luxury vinyl plank throughout the entire home, gorgeous travertine brick backsplash, gourmet gas range, new stainless appliances, laundry room with cabinets, sink, granite folding station granite, crown molding and custom paint throughout. The designer exterior paint, with look ceramic tile on both porches and added stacked stone pillars framed by the custom landscaping on this oversized lot overlooking the fishing pond is yours to enjoy from your front porch or large covered lanai. Spacious is an understatement as this home flows effortlessly from kitchen, dining and great room to the enormous backyard. The garage has porcelain wood look tile, beautiful cabinets, granite countertops and a refrigerator. The split floor plan gives the incredible primary suite the privacy and view of the expansive backyard. The primary bathroom boasts double vanities, water closet, soaking tub, oversized custom tiled shower and a walk-in dressing room for clothing storage. And oh, the lighting! Custom lighting and fans have been added to finish out this exquisite abode. Not only is this an amazingly gorgeous home, but it is situated in an equally amazing neighborhood. The Aventura community is filled with amenities. Pool, fire pit area, barbecue grill area, multiple playgrounds, common areas, a bike trail, miles of wide sidewalks and ponds perfect for hours of discovery are found throughout your new community. You will never want to leave this ideal setting. This quiet and friendly community is ever convenient to your everyday shopping, retail, restaurants and the sugar white beaches of Gulf Shores. Every inch of this immaculate home has been enhanced to create the perfect retreat for you and placed in the perfect community. What are you waiting for? Schedule your tour today and make this home yours.